Okay, sagutin natin ito. Find the area enclosed by r squared is equal to a squared cosine 2 theta. Alamin muna natin kung anong range limits ng ating integral from a to alpha tapos r squared d theta. Kaya malaman yung area kapag polar curve. Okay? Yan, hanapin yung area. Para malaman natin yung area niya is yung period niya or kung ano man absolute value na nakalagay dyan, or numerical coefficient, is di-divide natin siya. Yun yung magiging numerator. 90 magiging numerator, hindi namin i-test to. So 45 degrees. 90 degrees yan. Tapos gagawin natin siya radian is equal to 45 times pi over 180 1/4 pi or pi over 4. Tapos therefore ang magiging coordinate niya is limit niya is negative pi over 4 at saka pi over 4. Okay? Magiging a is equal to negative pi over 4 r squared, meron na a squared cosine 2 theta. Let a is equal to 1. Direct ano na natin agad? Calculate. 1 squared cosine 2 theta. Kasi ang variable yung ating hinahanap at mga choices. So, nag-conclude tayo na ang a squared, sabihin natin 2 squared, magiging 4 yung a squared. Okay? Therefore, magko-conclude tayo na yung a squared, yun yung area ng ating curve. Okay? Letter C.